This is Harry Vocal, Sound of Australia, the voice off the street. Pop-up exercise fanatics. For years and years, you've been following suit like America and turning into a big bunch of overweight McDonald munchers, and the programs they put on for years and years for life being at norm, they wanted you to get outside and you completely ignored it and sat round watching television. Now they've turned around and told you to stay inside. You all want to get out and exercise. Unbelievable. Where you's been. And the simple thing is, if you didn't want to put on weight, stop putting shit in your mouth. It's that simple. But once this coronavirus problem's gone, I wonder if I'll still see those hundreds of you out every morning on the footpaths jogging. I doubt it very much. This is Harry Vocal.